YouTube, we're back with a brand new video. It's Emma here. Actually, I just made the brand new official Galaxy EALR shirt. Here it is, my personal favorite. It's got us on the back. The one with Dofa is loading still, because I just uploaded it. Oh, I think it's loading now. Oh, there we go. Let's put it on. Refresh. There we go. Also, I did make a fire one, but I forgot to make a video on it. So here it is here. There's one without Dofa, not sure where that went. Here we go. So let's open up all of the shirts we've made. Including the ones that only me and Lachlan wear. Damn, we've made a lot. Should we open the ones that, like, the ones that aren't, like, EALR related? Nah. Where's the one where... Jeez, I have so much fails here. Alright, here we go. Look up here, YouTube. Look how many we have. Where my tabs are. Alright, so that's the first one. Oh, we gotta put that on sale. So the ones that, like, are Galaxy, Fire, or Rainbow, they will sell for 10 Robux. The normal official one, those sell for 5 Robux, including the pants. Oh, I forgot. I might need to actually make, like Galaxy pants and Fire pants. So here they are. They're on sale now. I'm actually buying them. It says 2 shirts so far. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. All those shirts. So yeah, make sure you buy some of them, or maybe just one of them. I'm gonna test out the purple animal hoodie with this shirt. Let's see how it looks. Oh, that looks so cool. I'm gonna put my blue one back on because that's Lachlan's color. Alright, so right now, I actually might go make the Galaxy pants right now. So I hope you buy the shirt, selling 10 Robux. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye, YouTube.